Starting affiliate marketing without an existing following is challenging, but possible with the right strategies. Here are steps to help you get started. 1. Choose a niche. Pick a specific area of interest or industry you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This helps in creating targeted content and connecting with a specific audience. 2. Select affiliate programs. Research and join affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate. 3. Create a website or blog. Build a website or blog focused on your niche. Use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to get started. Your website will be your primary platform for promoting affiliate products. 4. Produce high-quality content. Create valuable, informative, and engaging content related to your niche. This can include blog posts, product reviews, how-to guides, and comparison articles. Use SEO techniques to optimize your content for search engines. 5. Leverage SEO. Implement search engine optimization, SEO, strategies to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Focus on keyword research, on-page SEO, and building backlinks to increase organic traffic. 6. Utilize social media. While you may not have a large following initially, you can use social media platforms to promote your content. Join niche-related groups, participate in discussions, and share your articles. Over time, you can build a following. 7. Email marketing. Start building an email list from the beginning. Offer a free resource, like an ebook or a guide, in exchange for visitors' email addresses. Use email marketing to nurture your audience and promote affiliate products. 8. Paid advertising. Consider using paid advertising to drive traffic to your website. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Instagram Ads can help you reach a broader audience quickly. 9. Engage in online communities. Join forums, discussion boards, and online communities related to your niche. Provide value by answering questions and sharing your expertise. Include links to your website when appropriate. 10. Track and analyze performance. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics to monitor your website's performance. Track which content and affiliate links are driving the most traffic and conversions. Adjust your strategies based on the data. 11. Be patient and persistent. Building an affiliate marketing business takes time, especially without an initial following. Stay consistent with your efforts, continually learn, and adapt your strategies as needed. By focusing on creating valuable content and leveraging various marketing strategies, you can gradually build an audience and start earning from affiliate marketing even without an existing following. For more tips, subscribe.